Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video we will see how can we remove the digital exchange tab. I am tired of this tab, it is useless. See this one. This tab is only visible in latest version of Blue Prism. This tab is really useless, yeah. Let's go to system tab, click on settings, and here on right side you can see an option to hide the digital exchange tab. As soon as you check this box, this tab will disappear. Check this box to hide the tab and uncheck this box to show the tab. So this is how you can remove the tab and add the digital exchange tab from your Blue Prism. Thanks for watching guys. Do comment your doubts or queries.